Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with cell merge in OPENXLSX libraries. So cell merge, it's definitely the famous functionality of Excel document. And if you ever worked with Excel sheets, you must know about cell merge. And now I'm going to teach you how to use that functionality from R script. It's actually more than easy. Only thing that you have to know is one function. And let me say first what we have in here. In first line we are importing our library, and here we are creating actual workbook, and we are appending one worksheet to our workbook. At the end we are going to export all of this out to our file system. And function that I've been talking about, it's actually merge cells, and first argument is going to be our workbook, second is going to be index of our sheet, and now columns, and we are going to provide collection. And with this argument we are going to tell column position, so what columns need to be merged together. So we are going to merge from second column up to sixth, and rows. Here we are going to describe what rows are going to be merged together, and we are going to merge from third row to 11th, like this. And I'm going to run this code, and let me show you what we have. Yeah, looks quite nice, you see. And how to remove this? It's actually quite easy. Well, easier than first part. And now I'm going to use function remove cell merge. First argument is going to be our workbook, second is going to be our sheet, and for columns, only thing that we have to provide it's actually top left corner. And column from top left corner, it's actually second one, and rows, top left corner row, it's 3. And if we run this code, you see everything went well. And let me show you what we have. Completely empty document. So this will be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.